welcome today to Nature Life. Here I'm actually going to show you some bird life on Nature Life today. It's a nest. It's inside this fern. Put your guess in the comments below which kind of bird this nest is holding. Okay, make sure to put your comments. Now we're going to reveal the truth. By the way, if you put down songbird, then you were correct. Let's see if we can find the nest. Okay, I'm going to show over here. Okay, it's down there somewhere. It's inside here. I see part of the nest. I think we went too far. Okay, where is the nest? I think I can't find it right now. Where is it? Okay, oh, it's right there. I found it. Isabel? Okay, I found the nest, guys. So, that means all I have to do is film it. Where is it? It keeps on disappearing. Okay, I found the nest. If you guys can see it there. Oh, goodness. I need to capture some light in this video. Hey, look. There's a baby actually right now, guys. There's a baby. And I don't know, I need some light here. I can't use the light though. I can't use the light, so I wish.
Hold that fern back.
If you guys can actually see the bird, let me know, because it's hard to see it on this video. But if you can, put it down in the comments below. It was a baby song. What was it again? Song sparrow. Okay, there are the rest of the eggs. So far, 2 of them have hatched. That's it for this video. Please subscribe and mention this video to your friends. And I will have some more live action videos about bird life and other nature facts. Actually, I want to show you one more thing before this video ends. I'm going to show you the previous nest of our Steller jays and baby robins. This nest is the previous nest of the Steller jays and robins. It was originally founded by the Steller jays. They made it. And then the robins came along and said, I don't want to make a nest. And they were lazy enough just to put their eggs inside this nest. It was really cool, fascinating, seeing so many birds come into my house. I'll come near it, and that's it. So, that's it for my bird life video. Make sure to subscribe and like this video, and comment down below. What should I do next, or search for other bird species? Goodbye. Peace out.